Titan Applicators Firestopping division has seen significant growth within the past 3-4 years. And three of the things that we focus on that really separate ourselves from our competitors and also cement ourselves in the industry are collaboration, communication, and compliance. Collaboration is important with fire stopping, as most general contractors know, in order to avoid some significant setbacks as a result of fire stopping inconsistencies, is to prevent them in advance. And collaboration is between us and the general contractor. Collaboration is between us and the engineer and architects, and also collaboration with the other trades. Communication is important during the process of the fire stopping application, and also the installation of the MEP trades, because if they're not cutting their annular spaces or their holes properly, if they're not installing their trade in compliance with our tested UL systems, it can create some significant setbacks with fire stopping and framing inspections. And then compliance is a big one, and that's one of the things that we separate ourselves, because fire stopping has become so much more than fire caulk. There's collars, there's spray applied products, there's putties, there's clays, there's cast in place devices, there's mechanical collars, and you take that and you add hundreds and hundreds of UL systems that you can apply to the fire rated assemblies and the penetrating objects. It can be a little overwhelming, and we have partnered up with a manufacturer that provides support to make that a seamless process, so that we can stay compliant and have confidence as we're walking with these city officials and building inspectors. We've partnered up with STI Firestop as a manufacturer, not only because of the service and the products they provide, but they also provide a tool that we use as a pretty important resource. It's called the STI Firestop Locator. And what that is, it's a program that allows us to document, track, and pinpoint fire stop installations that we perform. And that provides value to us because we can reference it while we're walking with the building inspector and answer any questions that he may or may not have. It provides accurate information as far as pictures, the day that we installed those, referenced ULs, so that the general contractor knows and the building inspector knows which tested and approved system we are using to address that particular penetration. And furthermore, it allows us to document the progress of each penetration, so that if there's issues, we can record it, log it, and pinpoint it onto the building plan, so that we can pass that information along to the general contractor, who can turn around and send it to the subcontractor, and then that subcontractor knows exactly where that penetration that needs to be fixed is, what they need to do to it, and get it done in a timely manner, so that we can keep the whole project going on track.